What is going on, guys? Sean here with another episode in straight razor shaving. Today I am using this Dovo Inox stainless steel razor. This is a 5/8. It has dark brown scales, and this was honed on my surgical black, which I will be making an ASMR video sometime around this week. Not much to see there. I already used a hot towel, and I already used my pre-shave, which is water and glycerin. Been enjoying that lately. The brush for today is a cheap synthetic that I got from Amazon. Nothing to see there. Like I said in my previous video, I am looking forward to getting a new synthetic brush. And the soap for today, you guessed it, Vache by the Cajun Blade. Really nice scent, really manly scent. And let's get lathering. All right, good for me. Let's see, I'm excited to see what this black arc does to the stainless steel. First pass, here we go. A lot of stubble there. Ooh, a bunch of water on that sponge, but maybe there you can see the stubble. Maybe. A hello to the usual suspects. Leon, long hole tanker. Eric, the Cajun Blade. Martin from Martin's Touch Shaves. Bill M from Bill M. Dapper Shaves, Jax, Greg Gallant from Greg Gallant, the newest member, Sean G. Great videos he put up. I saw a video he shaved yesterday, and today is the 15th of September. He shaved yesterday, and he's been shaving with one arm, I think he said in his video. But man, he's gotten really good. He's gotten really good with that one hand. So what am I feeling here with the stainless steel? Well, I'm feeling a really keen edge. But I am feeling that weird sensation that I spoke about before. Definitely has a different feel to it. At least this one does, this stainless steel. As you guys can see, against the grain, really keen. Yeah, that's just really keen. And it's not that there's an irritation there, it's just like the steel feels a little bit different. We're finishing up the shave here. Last night I was looking at some boxing and UFC fights. Canelo won against Berlanga, and Berlanga is supposedly Puerto Rican. We don't claim him. He's a bit of an asshole, but Canelo won. I knew he was gonna win. And then I think Diego Lopez won against Brian Ortega. I was going for Diego Lopez. Diego Lopez won. Grasso lost against Shevchenko. That could have gone either way. I feel like in the ground, Grasso definitely put more pressure on the submissions, and she was closer to finishing the fight than Shevchenko herself, but Shevchenko controlled the fight on the floor and up top, so she gets the win, even though Grasso was closer to finishing that fight than Shevchenko was, if that makes any sense. And then the one that everybody wanted to see was Sean O'Malley against I forgot his name. Great. Anyways, Sean O'Malley lost. I thought he was gonna lose. I just don't think he has much of ground game. Not to mention, I think O'Malley has always been kind of a weight bully. And you can get complacent when you're a weight bully, I feel like. Like, that's not Sean O'Malley's natural division to fight at. So in my opinion, an even more impressive win for, man, what was his name? I think it's with an M. But that just goes to show in combat sports, wrestling is everything. There's levels to this, and there's levels when it comes to fighting and mixed martial arts. Boxing just isn't enough, and kickboxing isn't enough. You gotta, if you were to have one discipline, either be kickboxing, boxing, taekwondo, jiu-jitsu, judo, definitely the one that's on the top of the food chain is wrestling. Just being able to control your opponent and them not being able to do anything about it is just, it's too much. All right, that was a good shave. I think for the next, I'm gonna convex that edge and see if that makes it a little bit more comfortable. Aqua Velva going in, ice blue. Super comfortable shave. No sting at all. Nice and close. I'm happy. Hope you're happy. Always read and reply to all your comments. Make sure you leave one in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.